When you think you're being a decent member of society. Woke up getting ready to upload another video, so I checked this last one and somehow it's been removed, terms and policies, and I was going back just thinking like, what could it possibly be? The kid most likely found my video, reported it. I didn't think it was bad, so I mean, I didn't think there was nothing wrong with it. I thought it was positive. It sucks. It naturally freaking sucks when any of your videos get taken down for whatever reason or demonetized, because this is a hobby. This is something that I just loved to do, both cars, filming, and everything. And you know, it just turned into what it turned into, which is super dope. But let's not forget that I filmed the good, the bad, the ugly. If I make a mistake, I film for you guys on YouTube. I tell you my best advice I could possibly tell you. But I hope you guys get my point and understand my purpose for ranting. It just sucks. It sucks. I wanted you guys to see the wheels. That was the main purpose of the video. And that video got taken down. So what do I have to do? I have to put it back up. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it back up. Oh man, I hope you guys stay safe and enjoy yourself out here, man. But yeah. I just left the dentist. They just numbed your boy up. This one still don't work on the tooth. And I don't know if this is normal, but I feel like I'm about to pass out or something. This is crazy. Like, I can't even smile right. I'm trying to talk. And it's like, they had to light me up big time because I can't even feel myself tearing up. Yo, it looked like I got like punched in the face or something. My face is swollen. What's going on? Is this normal? Good morning. Actually, oh crap. I missed my turn. Today is gonna be a really good day, in my opinion, for the Porsche. If you guys can tell by the title and thumbnail, we getting the new wheels put on in this video. I'm not sure about today, but definitely in this video. So in the last video, I put on these extra long Valvetronic universal tips to try to get it to fit. And yeah, you guys hated it. I'd be lying if I tell you guys that I like them 100%, but it was like overwhelmingly, no one liked it. No one liked it at all, which is cool if you ask me. It's all good, because I agree with you guys. And I'm thinking about, like, you know, trying to sand them down, get them to look a lot cleaner before I throw them back on, because I just don't like how, you know, dirty it looks. And I also have to get some more bolts, because the last ones were seized, which made the exhaust wonky in the first place. The tips made me, you know, was one of the reasons I wanted to swap them out in the first place. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put this back on.
Are you gonna put it back on?
I think so.
Yeah.
So I have to get the, what?
It looks better than what you have.
Wait, what's that again?
It looks better. Go look at the back.
Yo, what? Bruh.
It's crazy.
It don't look that bad, yo. Check out this, the SRT8. That's like an old school track hawk. What you say?
The way you described that sounded like it was gonna be something better than what it was. Wow. I get the microphone now. I didn't expect to turn around and see a Ford Explorer or whatever that was.
It wasn't a Ford Explorer.
It looked exactly the same. Jeep Cherokee?
Yo. You guys happy? Huh? You happy? Bruh, they weren't lying when they said by 7 p.m. It's too late for a damn tire shop and everything, but we got them. Look at these bad boys. Woo, wide. Come on, baby. All these damn things on it. Ooh. What you guys think? What do you guys think? At the Injured Daily right here. Pulled up my guy all the way out here, RCT, to get the wheels mounted up, because those wheels are not exactly super easy to mount up. But come on now, how's she looking? Nice and dirty, just how I like her. Let's hope the OEM one is the same size.
Yeah, that could looks small though.
Yeah.
OEM ones are kind of
the OEM ones seem kind of
they're
big for the
like
Porsche.
What year Porsche is this?
It's a 2017.
So it's a 991?
That too, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, those things are pretty
Big, yeah.
But yeah, if I see it in the box, I'll obviously put it out. You know what I mean? Let's see if anything else we need here. We got the tires, we got the rims, we got the sensors. All right. Yeah.
Yo, what the? These are 305 stretched, bro. I never seen a 305 stretched before.
305 stretched.
God damn.
You could honestly probably gone 315.
I could have gone 315.
I mean, if you went 315, the only difference is that it would be more like I guess instead of rounded,
yeah,
they call it like a rounded shoulder.
Yeah.
It'll be more of a squared shoulder. You know. Put the other one the other way.
So that's why, yo, I just got this too as a daily, and I love it. Yo, this is my first SUV. Well, first, bigger car. I would say, yeah. I wouldn't.
Instead of all the sports cars. Instead of all the fucking two-seaters, two-doors.
Yeah, this is my first. I'm like, yo, honestly.
Yo, once you get one like this, you don't want it. It's actually good, man.
Bro, but you know the crazy thing? I got this one's 4-cylinder. Now I'm like, you know what? I think I might get like an X5 V8 and like a bigger one, you know?
But you know what's gonna happen is once you start realizing you're paying for gas.
That's what it is, yeah. My commute was crazy. My commute is crazy.
You got the Porsche at home already.
Yeah.
It's just fucking 4-cylinder shit all the way through, bro. That's it. Like I got my GLC 4-cylinder.
Oh yeah, that's
day,
the same thing.
Daily, all
yeah.
day, bro. All fucking day.
When I had my M4, I was paying $70 every 2 days to fill up. This,
that wasn't fun.
No, this is like 70, but it lasts the whole week.
No, yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, bro.
That's a big difference. So now you go V8, imagine.
Yeah, oh
You're
yeah.
back to the same fucking-
Ooh, boy. Man, I'm working on the Porsche in the street. Old school, baby. Old school. What do you guys think? Front is perfect. What do you guys think? The back is way too high though. Look at that shot is sick. I really like these ones though. I'm not even gonna lie to you. These ones look real nice. I definitely about to order a 315, but I just have to figure out what works with the all-wheel drive, because this is the setup right now that works the all-wheel drive. So if any of you guys interested in a 305 3020, let me know. It has 0 miles, 0 burnouts, and it's probably not going to drive much, to be honest, because I want this thing to come back out all the way proper. Unless I fall in love with it like that, then yeah. But I got to keep the car black now. Ooh, I got to keep it black now. Ain't exactly deep dish pizzas, but them lips, they chromed out. It is right on the edge. Like, you see why it looks a little bowler, cause it's like out there. You can see the lip showing. I kind of don't like it a lot. I like the way the front is with no lip showing, but the other side. Oh, I think it looks good, man. I think it looks good. That's like that. This concludes the Bowler Wheel series. So tell me, guys, what do you think? Give me your honest opinion. You guys give me your honest opinion with the exhaust tips, which I've listened to you guys. I'm putting it back to stock. I don't know if I'm putting the wheels back to stock. Definitely got to go up on the sides, but my first 2-piece wheel, I designed it myself. I tried to do as best I could. Those are Motivo motor wheels. You can hit them up. I'll put his information down below. You know, we work together, collaboration, so it'd be dope if you guys show some support. If you guys want some wheels, any type of wheels. He also has these cool wheels that I'm thinking about buying another project car for. I gotta head out, got a little freaking event I gotta go to. 29 miles, I'm late, gotta be there at 7 and then be there, and GPS says 7:18, so T is what it is, my boy. Yo, I fell in love with the stock wheel setup, so I think I'm gonna definitely refinish those and put a set of real grippy tires on those. The ones I put on the bowler wheels are the Continental Sport Contact 2s. They're supposedly like rivals or go up against the Michelin PS4s. So I might actually put PS4s on the stock tire setup. Or I might throw Winters do donuts in the rain. I'm in the snow. I don't really know what I want to do right now. I really don't know. All I know is that I'm kind of tired. You know, this has been a very stressful video. Man. But I hope you guys like this one. I'll be trying to get it out to you guys ASAP, get some rollers and everything like that. I gotta take some real nice pictures to send to the guy over there, and that should be it. So, like from Slow Speed. Oh yeah, she looks alright. She look alright. Alright. Quick side note, in case a lot of you guys forget, I still have these Apexes down here in the under house storage or whatever. But yeah, man, if you guys want them, let me know, man. I am not using them. They're 18s with the Nitto drag radials, which I love these tires. I swear by these tires right here. This is my second set. If you watch the videos, I'll key in some videos, launches, everything at a rear wheel drive. G80, GD2, sorry. And these are perfect. They're not too bad in the rain either, as long as you keep it speed limit or under. Is that a nail? Oh wow, so it does have a screw in it though. But yeah, man, these tires are super dope and they grip. The wheels are pretty nice too. They're Apexes, typical, you know, stuff. They fit the G80s. I'll put the specs everywhere, but the tires are 305, 35, R18, and I forgot what the wheels are, but they're like whatever Apex recommends for the G80 setup, that's what they are for 18s. And ain't like that much work. Yeah, man, let me know if you guys want them, man. Let me know.